at all the faces that surround you every day. Carbon copies living what their fathers used to say. History keeps knocking, but we're turning it away, smiling like tomorrow's gonna save us anyway. We wrap ourselves in comfort like we're immune to the heat, but the past is getting louder underneath our feet. We say we're so much wiser now, so modern, so complete, but every warning sign we pass is one we've seen on repeat. Like water off a duck's back, like the rhythm of the beat, like the shampoo in the shower, we lather, rinse, repeat. Wash our hands of consequence, call it bittersweet. Same mistakes in different times, we lather, rinse, repeat. We fought the wars, we called it done, but there's another one to speak. Every battle sounds the same, just a louder kind of repeat. Different flags, same fury, different lies on every screen, different names upon the marble for the truth we've never seen. History is important. If you can learn from it, you are destined to repeat it. We quote it like it's sacred truth, then practice our deceit. Like the drunks out on a Friday night, like the violence in the street, like the shampoo in the shower, we lather, rinse, repeat. Destined to make the same mistakes in the same downward spiral. Round and round the drain we go, lather, rinse, repeat. Empires fall in slow motion while leaders swear they're strong. We trade tomorrow for today and say there's nothing wrong. You can paint it patriotic, you can call it elite, but the pattern doesn't break itself, it only will repeat. Like water off a duck's back, like the rhythm of the beat, like the shampoo in the shower, we lather, rinse, repeat, till the cycle cracks the mirror, till the silence turns to heat. If we don't wake up together, we lather, rinse, repeat.